Hi everyone, my name is Mehmood Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a shell program to calculate the area of a triangle when three sides are given. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So here, as you can see, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it asks user to enter the value of A. Okay, then user needs to enter the value. Let us suppose I have entered 3 here. Then again it asks one more message, enter the value of B, then user will enter the value of 6, and like this it will ask one more message, enter the value of C, then user will enter 7. Okay, then the program makes some calculation based on the formula and it prints the output like 8.94 is the area of the triangle. Okay, now just looking at the output, what do you think, how many variables we need to create in our program? Since I'm asking the user to enter the values for A, B and C, so in our program I need to create three variables which will hold these three values, 3, 6 and 7. That means I will create a variable A which will hold this value 3, and I will use variable B which will hold this value 6, and I will create variable C which will hold this value 7. Okay, then these three values get substituted in this formula, and after performing this formula I will be getting the output, and that output I need to store inside some other variable. Okay, so that's why in my program I need to create one more variable with the name S. Okay, then S gets substituted in this formula along with the values of A, B and C, and finally I will get this output 8.94. So to store that value 8.94 in my program, I need to create one more variable, which is this area. That means I want 5 variables in my program. Now let us start writing down the program. So when this program gets executed, as you can see, first it's asked the user to enter the value of A. So I need to display that message on the terminal. So to display that message on the terminal, as well as to take the input from the user and store it inside a variable, I should use read command. Read space hyphen P double quote enter first, or enter value of A. Enter value of A double quote A variable name. Like this I need to ask these two messages on the terminal, double quote close and then variable C. Next I need to use this formula to calculate S. So I will use S equal dollar symbol open round bracket and then echo space double quote bracket dollar A plus dollar B plus dollar C close round bracket, then divide by 2, close the double quote, then pipe BC. Okay, now we have calculated S. Now we need to substitute S in this formula to calculate area. Okay, area is equals to dollar open bracket echo space double quote. Now I want to tell you one thing. Now I want to display the output in this form, where after the decimal point also I need to mention the numbers. So if you want to display the output like this, then you need to use scale equals to 2 semicolon. That means after the decimal point I want to further display two numbers. If you want to increase it to 3 and 4, you just need to change this value to 3 or 4. Okay, next square root, then open round bracket and dollar s star dollar s minus dollar a, next star dollar s bracket minus dollar b, then star dollar s minus dollar c, close the round bracket. Okay, now you just need to make sure that there should be equal amount of opening and closing bracket. So this is the opening bracket, and yes, first let us address this one. Here is the first opening bracket and this is the closing bracket for this. Then this is the opening bracket and this is the closing bracket for this opening bracket. Here is the opening bracket and here is the closing bracket, but there is no closing bracket for this opening bracket, so we just need to close this. Okay, now this opening bracket gets closed and we need to close the double quote. Then we need to put the pipe and then BC. Now you can see here is the opening bracket, you need to close this opening bracket. Okay, next you just need to print the area using echo command. Echo is dollar area. Okay, so this is how you can write a Unix shell program to calculate the area of a triangle when three sides are given. Okay, once you write this program, then you need to execute that program. So to execute the program, you need to use this command, // file name. Let us suppose the name of the file is triangle.sh. You need to write this command on the terminal, and when you hit enter, you will get a message something like this: permission denied. That means you have not added the executable permission to this file triangle.sh. Whenever you will be creating a new file, there won't be any executable permission given to this file. You need to add that permission by your own. So to add that permission, you need to use this command: chmod space plus x space file name, which is triangle.sh, and press enter. Then the executable permission gets added to this file. Now you can execute this file by writing this command /triangle.sh. Then you will get this output where you need to enter the values, and those values will get substituted inside these formulas and you will get the final output. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys understood this program, and if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.